In the growing trend of minimalist living and van life, one DIY enthusiast, Annabelle Tripp, took the plunge in 2020 to turn an old minibus into a sustainable and cozy camper. Her goal was simple yet ambitious: to create a mobile home that blends comfort, style, and eco-consciousness. After a year-long build, with the help of her father and boyfriend, Annabelle transformed the minibus into a space that embodies the spirit of adventure while being practical for everyday use. The process began when Annabelle bought the minibus, opting for it due to its already installed windows, one less hurdle in a conversion that was not without its challenges. The first major hurdle was removing the minibus's fixed seats, a task that Annabelle found particularly daunting but necessary to make room for her design. Throughout the journey, she encountered moments of doubt, but the satisfaction of seeing the project come together kept her motivated. Eco-consciousness was a driving force in Annabelle's conversion. She used reclaimed materials such as wood from a reclamation yard to build the ceiling and work surfaces. In total, the build cost around £20,000, with a significant chunk spent on the electrical systems necessary to make the van livable. Annabelle used recycled materials, such as plastic bottles, for insulation, showcasing her commitment to sustainability. This is not just a van, it's a testament to the power of DIY and living in harmony with the environment. Inside, the van features a fixed double bed, a comfortable seating area, a kitchen with essential appliances like a mini fridge and gas hob, and even a shower area. The design prioritizes efficiency and comfort, offering everything one could need for long-term travel or a home base while exploring. The use of French paint on the interiors adds a personal touch, contributing to the warm, inviting atmosphere. For those considering a similar project, Annabelle recommends careful planning and the right mindset. She advises future DIYers to decide what features they want from the outset to avoid costly mistakes. The project, though time-consuming and challenging, is a source of immense pride for Annabelle, as it reflects not only her creativity but her determination to build something truly unique. Annabelle's minibus conversion is a perfect example of how resourcefulness and creativity can turn any space into a functional, stylish home. It's an inspiring story for anyone looking to embrace the DIY van life and experience the freedom of life on the road.